Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting Treasures. Today I'm going to show you the part 2 of the upcycle storage ideas for a craft room. For the first upcycling, I've taken 2-liter plastic milk bottle. I've removed the label and washed and cleaned it properly. Then cut the top part of the bottle along with the handle. I've taken 2 man zips. These are the larger ones. The part of the bottle where the handle attaches is going to serve as the support for closing and opening our storage unit. That's why I'm going to attach the closed parts of the zip at that portion of the bottle. Do take your time and slowly glue the zip in place. I'm fast forwarding the video over here. Clean the backside of the zip if you find any glue strings attached. Let it dry well for a few minutes and then attach the second zip. Here I am creating an overlap at the opening of the 2 zips. Next, glue the closed ends of the zip and firmly attach it to the top part of the bottle. Next, glue on the second halves of the zip to the top part of the bottle as shown. Create the same overlap just as we did earlier in the bottom part. Once the glue has dried really well, I'm going to do a little bit of decorating with my twine and colored yarn. For this, I'm using my transparent double sticking tape. This provides an extra support for the zip as well. Next, I'm using Mod Podge to fix a picture I've printed and cut out on the bottle. Another one I've made quite similar to this using the zip is this craft. This is from a 7-Up bottle. This also has a zip, but this is the thin type of zip. Here also I've used 2 zips, just like in this bottle, in the milk bottle. This also I can open. It's quite easy to make. It's the same steps. For this I used a normal 7-Up bottle and cut the middle portion out. Only the bottom and the top parts I've used. I've joined the top and the bottom portion just like how I did for the milk bottle, using 2 zips. The back portion, it serves as the support. The height of my shelf doesn't allow me to use the entire bottle. I cut the top off and fixed, as you can see over here, maybe a little. You can see double sticking tape, the transparent double sticking tape. I fixed all around and then twine over it. The inside I've just placed a paper so that the double sticking tape, extra support from the side. Next is a very simple and easy upcycling. For this I've used a 1.5 liter oil bottle. I'm going to cut it out as shown. I'm keeping the handle with the body of the bottle. I'm discarding the top part. Next, I'm using a little bit of heat to smooth out the sharp edges of the bottle where I've cut out. Now our unit is ready. Next is just a little bit of decoration. I've used these bottles for storing in my cupboard shelf my scissors, then my hot glue sticks, pipe cleaners, long straws, then the 7-Up bottle I've used for my sketch pens, and the milk bottle glitter glue sticks. Juice bottle I've used for storing marbles. In the yogurt can I've stored some googly eyes, magnetic buttons, marbles. If you haven't done already, do check out the part 1 of the DIY storage videos. See you soon with more easy upcycles. Bye!